Welcome. This is not about dieting, not about trends. It's a story about hunger. The real kind. The kind that whispers, not shouts. You ever catch yourself opening the fridge? Not because your body needs food, but because your mind is restless, feeling bored, or tired. Here is the question we often avoid. Do we eat to live? Or do we live to eat? Modern life feeds us 24/7. Not just with food, but with noise, stress, and endless habits. Often, it isn't the stomach that's calling. It's the mind, reaching for comfort, for distraction, for something to fill the pause. When computer work drags on, when the task feels heavy, the cookie jar suddenly feels lighter, easier, closer. But here's the truth. Not every break needs a biscuit. Not every pause needs to be filled with food. My own way is simple. I don't keep snacks at my side. If they're there, I'll finish them without thinking. So I remove them. And when the pause comes, I stretch instead. A stretch. A walk on the spot. Even 3 long breaths. Each one restores more than a cookie ever could. Sometimes all we need is to change the flavor of the mind. A song, a short video, even a window view. Some turn to a game, others to silence. Each pause can be chosen, and not everyone must come with food. Discipline here is not denial. It is care. Care for the body. Care for the freedom to stay light. Every cookie, every sip of sugar, they add up. Not just calories, but habits that slowly weigh down the spirit. The less we lean on salt, sugar, and fat for comfort, the freer the body stays, the lighter the mind becomes. Eating can be ritual. Eating can be reaction. Awareness is what decides which. Listen closely. Real hunger whispers softly. Craving always shouts. One feeds the body, the other only feeds the cycle. To eat with intention is to eat with kindness to the body and to the self that carries it. So I ask again, do we eat to live? Or do we live to eat? Every mindful pause keeps the body light and the spirit free.